What's up guys and welcome to my new video. Today I'm gonna show you how to download Visual Studio Community 2022 on your PC free and fast. Hit like and subscribe if this guide helps you. All what you need to do guys, just press your Windows button and type Microsoft Store. And open Microsoft Store, go here in search and type Visual Studio and you will see Visual Studio Community 2022. Click on it and go here to install. Wait for download process. Go here yes and you will see this window like me. Go here continue. After that new window will open and you will see here install. Click on it and go here continue and wait for this. After this install, automatically Visual Studio will open like me. Go here to sign in or create your account. I skip this now. Choose your theme like me and go start Visual Studio. And that's it all guys, how to download and install Visual Studio Community 2022 on your PC free and fast. I see you in the next video and bye guys.